guys? This is Crucial Boxer. I have another pack opening. This is part 4. 6-pack classic booster packs. This might be my last video for this set because I want to get other stuff as well. So just stay tuned for that. But I'm excited to open these. These are awesome to open. I'm having fun with this. Well, as I said, they're not like first edition. But it's still pretty cool to open. I don't have these two. I don't think I have these two in blister packs because I have quite a few of them. But I know I have these in blister packs. With the booster pack and with like 9 or 10 cards that you can get from Walmart. I do have those, but I'm stocking more up so I can get more so I can open a booster box later at a later time. So you guys can stay tuned for that and keep an eye on my videos. Subscribe, like, and comment, and also hit that bell for more. That would help out a lot. But anyways, enough talking. Let's just open these packs. At least one holo. Yeah. At least one holo I'll be happy with. These are unscaled and unweighed from... That's all from the seller, so... Red Moon Baby. For a rare. That's from Pharaoh's Servant. Okay. Let's open Metal Raiders. Alright, make sure it's focusing. Okay. Ooh, Lava Battle Guard. White Magical Hat. Looked like some Kaiba cards in there. Invasion of Chaos. I know we're like going everywhere right now, but just trying to make this video short as possible. Berserk Gorilla. That's for a rare. Alright, 3 packs left. Let's open Spell Ruler. Dark Witch. Raptor. Mother Grizzly. Okay, Dark Crisis. See if you had any luck with the Dark Crisis pack. That was kind of an indention on that card there. Whoa. Oh, that's a holo. Different Dimension Dragon. Wow, that's kind of hard to... I don't know if it's catching that in the video. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Nice. Got one holo at least. Dark Bishop Archfiend. Cool. Alright, last final pack. Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Let's see what we get. Ah, Firewolf. Alright, well, at least we got one holo, like I wanted. But, it's a dragon. Can't go wrong with that. So yeah, stay tuned for other openings that I will be doing shortly. Like and comment. Subscribe. See you guys later.